Alright, so let's head over to canva.com. Log in or create a free account if you don't have one. In the search bar, type website. Scroll through the suggested templates or simply click See All. You'll see a bunch of website templates. Here, pick a template with multiple pages. Hover over the templates to see how many pages they have. Choose one with multiple pages. Click on it. Then click Customize this template. Now understand the navigation bar. The navigation bar or the top menu bar will only appear after you publish the website. When you click Publish Website, make sure With Navigation is selected. This will create clickable links to each page. But sometimes it shows paid even for free templates. Let's begin with customizing website. Try double-click any text to edit it. Change the font, size, color, and add effects. Now, let's say you want to edit or replace this image. Simply choose an image and select Edit Photo to add effects or filters. To replace it, go to Uploads on the left panel. Then drag in your own image. You can also search for stock photos under Elements tab. If you need some extra stuff, check out Elements tab. That's where all the fun stuff lives. You'll find graphics, videos, buttons, all sorts of things you can drag and drop onto your design. Canva's got a bunch of extra tools like QR code generators, AI image creators, and even AI voice stuff in Apps tab. It's worth poking around in there to see what you can find. Now go for editing page names for the navigation bar. To change the names that appear in the navigation bar, click on a page in the editor, then click Add Notes. The pencil icon. Change the page name here. Once you change the page name, tap the preview button at top. Now you'll see it should be changed. Once you're happy with your design, click Publish Website in the top right corner. Here, configure your website settings. Make sure With Navigation is selected. You can purchase a custom domain or use a free Canva domain. Edit the tab title, page URL, and description. Click Publish, and your website will go live. Canva allows you to have up to 5 free websites live at any time. Since my free 5 trails are completed, therefore I cannot publish this new one. Once it's published, you can view your website and test the navigation bar. Hopefully, this guide makes it clear how to create a multi-page Canva website. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy Canva tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.